What is IFERROR function in Excel? The IFERROR function in Excel is used to handle errors and display an alternate value if a formula produces an error. The syntax is, equals IFERROR, value underscore if underscore error, where, value, refers to the formula or value that may produce an error, value underscore if underscore error, the value to return if the first argument results in an error, for example, equals IFERROR, VLOOKUP, A2 data, AB2 false, no match found. In this example, if the VLOOKUP formula produces an hashtag n/a error because it cannot find a match, the text no match found will be displayed instead of the error. Keynotes: the IFERROR function works for any Excel errors like hashtag div/0, hashtag rev, hashtag name, etc. It allows you to handle errors gracefully and replace them with custom messages. You can nest IFERROR functions to catch different errors. It avoids workbook errors interrupting calculations. Useful for cleaning up formulas and improving error handling. So in summary, IFERROR lets you control what your formulas display when there are errors instead of unsightly error values in cells.